My name's Warren Tegg. I'm a family lawyer admitted to the Supreme Court of Queensland. I've been a lawyer in Queensland since 1979, and I've been working in family law probably since the Act came in '76. Developed a little more specialisation in that field in the 80s and 90s, and now it's almost all that I do. I just want to spend a bit of time with you this afternoon on a number of subjects to try and clear up some myths in the marketplace about how this subject of family law works in Australia. So, firstly, getting that cooperation going is a matter of some negotiation. There's a couple of ways to do that. You can now mediate, and in fact, the court rules require you to do so. You should mediate and attempt to resolve how the children are going to be parented prior to seeking to bring a court proceeding. The court's done that with its rules now to make sure that there's an attempt made by both parties to sort this out prior to having to file proceedings. That said, there's nothing formal you need to do, particularly if you've got some cooperation going about how the children spend time with each of you. Similarly, with a property matter, there's nothing formal you need to do. Many people ring up and think they've got to document the separation. That's not in fact necessary. All that's required to establish a separation is that the marriage relationship has broken down. That is, that you have both resolved that the relationship's over and you're no longer holding yourselves out as a married couple. That's called a breakdown in consortium vitae. From the property perspective and in relation to children, the next thing that usually raises itself is, when do I do this? When do I start? Many will know that you're required to wait 12 months under the legislation prior to being able to file a divorce application. Now, the divorce application's a different animal altogether to a property matter or the children. The basis of the divorce is a breakdown in what's called the marriage or consortium vitae. The breakdown is evidenced by 12 months separation. So that's where that 12 months comes from. It's not the case that you have to wait 12 months to deal with children or wait 12 months to deal with property. You've got to wait 12 months to actually file your divorce. All other matters can be dealt with immediately.
Okay,